welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well today, and welcome to the new folks for stopping by. And if you like what you see, I hope you hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to show you today how I package up my little rosettes, crepe paper rosettes that I've been making. So I'll start with these here. I make these little rosettes from the crepe paper. Just you take a strip of crepe paper, and I just do a gathering stitch. Well, I fold it in half. Take a piece like this, about 12 to 15 inches in length, and then you fold it in half like so. And then once you fold the whole thing, you start at one end and just take your needle, actually on the folded side, take your needle and just do a gathering stitch all along, and then pull it into a circle. And that's how you get your little rosette. And then you can just embellish them however you like. So with these I put different, use my punches, put different circles and little sayings on there. And then I just put them on like a scrapbook paper for the background. And I just use a little glue dot here to stick them on inside the before you put it into the cellophane bag. And then I just add some little toppers and just decorate them up. So that's one I did with the pink crepe paper. And let's see, here's another one here. It's a couple. One says glow on there, and this one has a little nail polish bottle on there. And it says love it. And then I just use this pretty background paper in the mint and pink and gold. I made a cute little topper, and for the topper I used my scallop scissors, or a Victorian, I think this was a Victorian cut scissor for the top, just to kind of, you know, make it a little fancier. I did one here, some yellow rosettes. This one says hey, hello. I added some bling on there. This one says hello friend, and I stamped out a little coffee cup on there and put it on this kind of cute bicycle scrapbook paper, and use the same for the topper up there. And then I just stapled it and then added some little stickers on top of the staples to cover that up. In the back I just left like this. I put some little flowers on the back, on the bottom there, just for an accent. And then I did some just little small packages of them here, and just different sayings on them. Love, fun starts here. Made the toppers. This one I just used some metallic washi tape to close that one up instead of a topper. So that's another option. So yeah, they're really cute to do, and I'm gonna just put one in a little package for you so you can see how I do that. It's really a quick process, so it's not much to it, but it's kind of fun to see how other people package things. So and this one I did as a little paper clip, the pink rosette. So I'm just gonna stick it on here, and I've got a little cellophane bag ready. And in this one I decided to put some paper shred in there. I thought that would be kind of cute, in the same color actually, and I'm going to show you a little tip on how I did that once I get this in here. This is floating around. Okay, so it's going to be in like this, and I'm going to do a little topper here. So I've got a topper almost ready here. See, that's the front, and I'm just going to use my scallop scissors here and make a little edge. Kind of goes with this paper too. It's got scallops on it. And then you would just fold this down, put your little topper on there, and then I usually just put 2 staples in there. And I don't have my stapler here right now, so I guess I won't do that, but that's how that would look when it's finished. So I'll just put that down there for now. And a little tip I was going to show you, if you're doing a package and you don't have any of the paper shred, but you have some streamers, you could just take a piece of your streamer. This is just a shorter one, but what I did was just cut it like this. Like this on both ends. You can even fold it again like this. And then just cut really thin strips of it like this. And then what you do is just kind of scrunch it up like this together, and then you've got some paper shred all ready to go, and you can fill your little cellophane bags with that. So that was my simple share today. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye for now.